Hello everyone, a very happy new year to all you beautiful family out there. May this 2023 bring in all the health, all the wealth, all the happiness, all your wishes get fulfilled. You, your family, all of you are always blessed with happiness, and may Baba, my Shirdi Sai, may Master Merlin weave the magic in your lives in such a way that there is no looking back. At the end of 2023 you say, what more can I ask for, when the divine has given me everything in life? Because I believe 2022 has given me a lot of good things in life, and 2023 is going to give me much more. So I hope you all also move with that faith. So today I'm going to do a general reading as to how 2023 is going to be for you all. You all must be wondering, no zodiac signs, no rashis, and no numerology, and how will you do it? I'm just going to dedicate this only and only for my viewers and for people who have been following me. And this is a small detailed reading which I will do how this year is going to be for you. The first card, Six of Cups. I know it's a little different cards here, the Macabre Tarot. I really love these cards, but let me tell you one thing. When I see this card, I feel you are going to have full of opportunities, because I don't see this card as negative. I see this card as a card full of opportunities. I would say mouth full of opportunities, or hands and legs full of opportunities, and you will be so happy that everything is happening. You will be, though these are all happening because of whatever is in the past year, your hard work. I feel this is your past year's hard work which you're going to enjoy, and which you're going to really love it, because I somehow feel this card is not negative, and this card is showing that it's going to be a year filled with happiness, and a year filled with lot of opportunities coming your way. But I still want to pull one more card from this, so I'm pulling it from the middle. Nightmare of Cups. Okay, so now you all must be wondering, why has the Nightmare of Cups come? Because see, sometimes you should not worry when something like that comes, because I feel every card comes for a reason, and every card comes for something or the other, because here it says it's going to sweep you off your feet. When I had read this book, I remembered that everything by heart, everything that you wanted to in your loved life, it's going to be good, and everything that you are wanting in your life to happen, that will also happen, and you will be completely in love with your life this year. Your personal life also, I feel, is going to be really good, because both the cards were the Cups cards. So this is one card. I'm as I said, I will do a little bit of detailed reading, how much ever possible. This is another card which has come, Advice from a Cat. This card, what I feel, it is saying that don't share everything to everyone. Keep things within yourself. Where you need to share, and how much you need to share is again up to you. So speak wise and speak right. Don't speak a lot, because sometimes people start judging you the way you speak. They don't understand that how beautifully you're being truthful to them, but they start judging us. So maybe that is the reason. But I still would love to pull one more card again from this, to see what it actually means here and now. So basically, whatever you're speaking right now is going to work either in your favor or against you. So somewhere the universe is saying, just share what is needed, don't share everything, don't open up everything, and whatever is today is yours, and it is in your hands. So overall, this is, I feel this is a card for your personal life and for your career. So don't trust everyone blindly, don't be open to everyone blindly, just keep things to yourself. This year I would suggest, on every Saturday if possible, or at least every month on the third Saturday, go to a Hanuman temple and donate at least half a liter of gingerly oil and come, those who are seeing my readings. And if possible, on every Sunday, feed a stray dog or a poor person, or at least on every fourth Sunday. Okay, so now coming back to the readings. Wow, Six of Pentacles. I said, no, financially it's going to be really good. Your career is going to be really good. It is as if on a bowl you're given the amount. So financially, the 2023 is going to be a beautiful, beautiful and a rocking one. But still, we will pull one more card from this to see what other thing it is saying. The Hierophant. So, see here. Can you see? There's a blessing of the divine, and the blessing is coming through generations. So, this year is again a year of complete blessings. The divine is blessing you in such a way that you will feel there is nothing more left in my life to ask. I have achieved everything and the divine has blessed me. But I still want to pull a goddess card or the god card for you, whatever comes. All right, Durga Devi. She is the goddess of the universe. Can you see her? She is going to give you loads of blessings. I would suggest, at least if this is possible, every Tuesday hear the Durga Chalisa. Every Tuesday hear the Durga Chalisa, and every Friday hear the Shri Suktam. These two things, if you do it regularly for this whole 2023, your life is going to change and it's going to be an amazing blessing. And as I'm reading these cards, if you can pick up a few tumbles of clear quartz, maybe 3 of clear quartz, 3 of rose quartz, 3 of amethyst, and 2 of tiger's eye, a combination of 11, and keep it in your living room. And on every full moon, energize those crystals and again keep it back. The whole family will be blessed with abundance, will be blessed with happiness. Also, one more thing I want to tell you all over here, the first Amavasya, which is the, in here down south we call it as a Tai Amavasya, which is on the January 21st, I guess. Yes, January 21st. On the day of Amavasya, do an ancestral blessing ritual, or in some temple do a dhan dharam, do some charity, or at afternoon 12 o'clock offer some boiled rice sprinkled with sesame seeds in your terrace to the crows, because ancestral blessing is needed. If you can do it on every Amavasya, there is no much bigger blessing than that. But if you don't have the time for every Amavasya, then on the Thai Amavasya, which is the Jan 21st, please do that, and I'm sure you will see a lot of blessings in your life. Note of these points. I have given something to be done on a Saturday, something to be done on a Sunday, and Tuesday Durga Chalisa. Note these points and do it. Also, coming to Durga Chalisa, because she has come on every Tuesday, burn a lamp with 5 wicks. Now this 5, you should be using ghee and not any other thing, but the lamp should have 5 wicks. That is more important, and I'm sure Devi Ma is going to bless you all. I am so happy when I'm pulling these cards out for you all, because I feel as if the divine is blessing you all tremendously, and the divine is telling you all, rest assured 2023 is for you. And I really, really pray to the divine that all your wishes, all your desires get fulfilled, and you all have a blessed 2023 ahead. God bless you all. Thank you.